So YouTube, today I have a new product and it is the Google Home Mini. I'm gonna unbox it. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So basically, as you can see, just to start, say okay Google and you ask them the questions, temperature, all type of stuff. And also you have to control these things. Okay, let's get it open. Okay, so on the bottom you have a little thing, take it out, it opens up. So this is the Google Mini Home. What else comes? Comes your manual, comes your power cord, and that is it. Goes inside the box. So it looks just like this. This is the speaker section. It's pretty cool. Has your mic button on and off, and your power, and that is about it. Have your on. So I have to charge. See? Nice. So I'm gonna plug it up and show you how it works. Check it out. Okay, as you can see, plugged it on, and it gave me those lights. Look at that, nice.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Basically, you gotta download the Google app. Okay, so basically, I downloaded it. Okay, look just like that. It will say home. Can look like that. So now I'm gonna add. So looking for a device. Found it. I'm gonna hit yes because it say I found a Google Mini. It's connected. You hear the sound? Yes. Let's say where you got it at. I got it in my bedroom. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Connected. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Right here is set up your voice match. Okay. Agree. Next. This is where you link up your, okay, once you link up your accounts, this one will stay for latest feature. I'm gonna do this later. I'm all done. You can add your payments, change your caller ID, change TV, continue.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, it tells you, tell me a joke. It tells you all these different stuff you can do. So basically, to start, you got to say that. So you got to say, hey Google, tell me a joke.
What do you call a Labrador that becomes a magician? A Labracadabrador.
See that? It's pretty cool. It's very fast. And all you got to do is ask it, you know. So you say, hey Google, what's today's temperature?
Tonight in Ansonia, expect a temperature of 29.
So as you can see, it is pretty cool. It's kind of, I think it's pretty better than Alexa. But you see, finish. I hit finish, and that's it. It's basically connected, so I can buy the Bluetooth light bulbs and stuff like that, and it will be connected to the thing. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, like and subscribe. In my description, there will be a link and where to buy. One more time. Hey Google, tell me another joke.
I've been working on some material based on facts I've learned online. According to Google Trends, the most searched for flower is the orchid, which is confusing because you can find them in literally every florist.
See, it's pretty cool. Oh, thanks for watching.